Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off or disable Windows Defender in Windows 11. It's really simple and easy. So for this, first of all, what you have to do is go into the search bar and search for virus and threat protection. Once you are on it, we have to go for this manage settings and you can just turn this off real-time protection and cloud developer protection. The second method is again go to the search and type in run and then type in regedit. Click on this yes. Once you are on it, we are going to expand HQ local machine. Then we are going to expand software. Then we are going to scroll down and expand policies. And then we are going to expand Microsoft. And then we want to right click on Windows Defender and then click on new. And then click on D132-bit value. And then we are going to type in disable anti-spyware. Type the exact way I did with the capitals and with no space. Once you do that, we are going to right click on it and then head over to modify, and then we are going to change the value data to 1 and then click on OK and then restart your computer and then you are good to go. So that's how to turn off or disable Windows Defender in Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.